Great location in a quiet neighborhood. This is a 3-bedroom with a separate study. Open floor plan for easy entertaining. Large living area with lots of windows to lighten up the room. There's a cozy gas log fireplace. Granite throughout. The kitchen features beautiful custom maple cabinetry and lots of countertops for easy food prep. The walk-in pantry is perfect for extra storage. Sunny breakfast area makes a perfect place to have your morning coffee. Owner's suite features a full bath with custom vanity with double sinks, a freestanding soaker tub, large walk-in shower, a built-in linen cabinet and an Australian closet. Split bedrooms with the secondary bedrooms on the opposite side of the house. Nice, covered patio for your cookouts.